So I want to show you something about the 808, how to boost your 808 using WAVESHAPER. So this is the 808 without the WAVESHAPER. Listen to this 808. Now let me turn on the WAVESHAPER and see how it boosts the 808. Let me play the 808 with the WAVESHAPER. The WAVESHAPER, it improved the 808, the spins 808. You can see I'm using the spins 808 on my drum kit. If you need this drum kit, comment drum kit and I'll give it to you. I'll create a link. So let's mess around with the WAVESHAPER before I can show you what I used on this beat. As you can see, I have this uh loop here and the drums. So I'll play everything, but first let's mess around the WAVESHAPER and see if we can come up with a different sound than this one. So I feel like this one is good for me, so I'll just go through the other sound which I used on this beat.